Okay, hi little Nemo. I'm getting ready for my trip up to LA right now and also my different vendor stops. So, last check of the email, nothing coming in. Double checking my POs. Let's see. PO for bias, and then checkbook in case I need it. Another PO for bias, buttons for one of my sample customers. Yeah, that's about it. So, all wrapped up and ready to go. Oops, don't forget the checkbook. And we're on our way. One of the places I'm going to be going to today is a dye house, and right now Helen's preparing the PO for all the lab dips. Sometimes a bit tedious to make sure the colors are all correct. And right now she's cutting fabric, about 1/4 yard for each color. And as you can see, here's a PO that we're going to fill out. So one color, another color, another color. And I think that's about right then. Okay, so here's how I normally start my trip up to LA. Kind of review. Okay, so fabric for binding, another fabric for binding. It's hard to see. Let's see, I'm going to one of my customers, returning all this fabric that we use for their samples. And yeah, the bag here is actually all the sample duplicates that we did. About 6 styles, about 70 pieces in there. Some draw cord, and another sample that we're doing, returning. And then as you can see, if you see in there, we have some patterns that went with the samples here that we're returning to the customer. So double check everything, and I think that's it. We're ready to go. All right, on the road. A few start and stops. This is going to be how you see my days, like when I'm actually running errands, seeing vendors, doing pre-production and production planning.
Spread cách 3 vòng tròn không có được. Tại spread cách 3 vòng tròn nó được xếp ly á. 3 đường thẳng được, 3 vòng tròn không được.
Alright, just dropped it off. My bias place. Now we're off. She's busy handling another customer right now. I'm here at my wall pocket vendor. They also do a lot of denim embroidery as well, as you can see. So good source for that in the future. And they also run their own shop doing knits. And also behind the screen there, screen printing. But all I really need for them is just the wall pocket machine, which is that right there. Different cuts. And then actual samples of wall pockets being made. Okay, done with our first place for wall pockets. Next place, Hushco. PO for my buttons. Alrighty, let's get going. Okay, and we're off. All around me are screen printers, dye houses, wholesalers, different people, sewing machine companies, etc. Okay, just picked up my buttons from Hushco. You see my PO there, California Apparel. I'm going to show you what we ordered for our customer. Let's see. Coconut buttons. This is for his sample duplicates shirt for the front as well as for the cuff. And then the other one is for his for his collar buttons. 2 per. So this is only 75 and the other one was actually 1 gross. Okay, where to next? I think we're off to, let's see, my to-do list. Oh, okay, we're gonna go to the dye house now. We're taking a turn on to Washington Boulevard, which is, for me, a main strip of where I do my business here in downtown, just south of downtown. Okay, here to my right is the LA Mart, this big building. Well, before this truck pulled in front of me, what I was filming was King Taco. Maybe you can see from this side. Yes. Landmark establishment for great tacos. The green sauce and the red sauce to die for. There's something in the green sauce I can't really pinpoint, but it definitely is a good place to stop when you're between vendors and meetings here in downtown. I'm actually going to go visit my zipper vendor right now. I have a special order with gunmetal and a white tape and blue tape finish, so I just want to make sure that it's turning out the way we requested. Oh, bumpy tracks. Here we are, hunk to open. So I'm here at my zipper vendor. There's a front office helping me with the order. He's actually packing something for me. And behind me is a showroom. All different types of zippers. Novelty, laser cut. Interesting. And lacy. Zip gloss, brass, special sliders, different sliders, metal zippers, plastic molded, here looking at the PO as well as the estimate for the pricing and working through with the customer to see if they want to move forward with this one. It's pretty penny for those zippers here. About $3-4 each. Our dye house to do a bunch of lad dips and hopefully get a right color mix for Helen. We're going down San Pedro, which has a lot of wholesalers. San Pedro has a lot of Korean wholesalers. It starts right about here, and to the east, to the west of it, is downtown. As you can see here, there's accessories, denim, tops, all on this area. A lot of displays. All these shops, actually a lot of these are closed down now, but you see there's a major hub for wholesalers. Good designs. They have small factories all over LA. Lingerie, display fixture, closeouts. Dresses, tops. Yeah, we're actually close to the produce district as well, so it's a mishmash of everything here. Yeah, right here is a main entrance to, main entrance to the wholesale district. 3A, my supply store. Okay, I'm at a dye house right now. I'm not sure if you can hear the noise, but that's a compressor to my left here. All the fabric here is ready for dyeing. I'm sure there's all different orders for different customers. So ours will be one of those today. Well, actually, not today, but it'll be... So this is the dyer, right?
So this is inside here is dyeing.
Okay.
And here is they extract the water, fill up the water, and we dry it there.
So at the dryer, this is a water agitator?
Yeah.
And then the dyer...
They call centrifugal extractor to fill up the water. And most of the inside there, that's a machine how to work.
So here's where they extract the water. And that's the dryer.
not fast.
Alright, on the way home, it's been a long day. As you can see, the sun's setting. So it's about a 6-hour day today.